So this week the market has completely gone in an upper side. So the market has been recovered and the market has gone bullish for the day. So talking about today's market, well, this was my today's trade. So I'll be explaining you about today's trade, and also before that, let's talk about how the market has performed for today, guys. Okay. So basically, if you see, the market opened in a bit of a flatter side. Okay. So always remember, whenever the market opens in a flatter side, so that's when there will be a actually good momentum for intraday trading. So many people think that when there is a gap up or a gap down, the trend will continue entirely for the day and the day will be very easy to trade, but that's not the right thing. When the market opens flat and then when it gives a momentum, that's when there's a good day for intraday trading. But yesterday and today, we can see that the market opened in a flat side and the momentum was quite less. But what the interesting thing was, the market kept on going on a upper side. So after many months, we can see that there was a continuous upside momentum in the market, and the market has touched 24,400 levels for today. So this is the Nifty 50 chart what you are seeing. So this is the today's high what it has done, 24,428. And if I quickly switch it to 1 day time frame, we can see here how the market is being performed in this particular week. Okay, so you can see here, this is this week's data. So almost from 23,800 level, the market has gone up to 24,425 level, which is a very good thing. So as of now, we are trading at one of our resistance point in Nifty 50, what we can see here in the chart. Okay, and one more good thing is that Nifty IT sector has given a good bullish momentum, I can tell. So it's been recovered a lot. So if you can just quickly see the chart here, I'll just show you IT index. So let me just try to load up the chart. IT. Okay, so just got the chart here. So you can see here, so from almost the IT index was trading in a very lower side. You can see somewhere close to 25,000 level in the couple of days back, and now it's almost trading at 31,900 level, which is almost close to the resistance point where you can see in the chart. So yes, if this resistance level breaks around 32,000, we might see a good momentum to continue in Nifty IT as well. So anyway, this is about the market and index analysis, guys. So now let me quickly talk about the today's trade what I have done. So today I have traded on Infi, that is Infosys. So it was a buy above 1,120, or if the stock would have come below 1,110, then it was a short sell side, but the stock didn't give a opportunity for that. So whole this week the IT index was going up. So even this stock, according to my study, I just did my trade. So I don't blindly take any trades, I just follow my clear strategy and analysis. Okay, so above 1120 was a buying side trade which was initiated according to my knowledge. Okay, and please note, this video is completely for educational purpose and there is no recommendation in this video. And if you guys by chance wish to connect with me, do check out the description box. There is my Telegram link where you can click and connect with me personally for educational purpose. I'm trading from almost 12 years plus and I trade without indicators. Okay, so speaking about today's trade, I just entered buy above 1120, and you can see here at the end of the day, the stock has gone up till 1140. So 20 points plus of movement in one single day. So yes, this kind of movement not every day and not every stock will give, but this is what the momentum has happened today, and this was my trade and profit what I was able to achieve today in today's trade. Okay, so this is the end of the day chart of Infosys what you're seeing on the screen, guys. So somewhere over here is where the entry was triggered in the morning around 9:30, I can tell, and later you can see here the stock has gone up till 1141, and later it has just retraced and closed somewhere close to 1130 for today. So this is how the Infosys stock has performed today, and also this is how the market has performed. Okay, so if I can quickly show you the Nifty 50 chart. So again, let me just show you the today's momentum. So as I said you from last couple of days, the momentum is not too much of fast momentum. It's you can see here, this is like 3 days of chart, and it's slowly going up. Slowly the volumes are coming in, but the positive thing is that overall the market is going up. So the people who are invested, okay, in the lower side or in a particular stocks or index or anything, so whenever there is a gap up, so they make a profit, and after that, slowly the market is still going up. So this is a bit of a positive sign. So now the main thing is that, will the Nifty break 24,000 level? That is 24,400, the resistance level what we have right now. So if this resistance level breaks, then the next resistance level what we have, if we just put 1 day candle time frame and see the previous days or the previous high point in nifty 50, the resistance level what we have is around 24,550. So if this breaks, then we might see the upper side to come in nifty 50, or else again 24,200 to 24,000 level will act as a main support level for the day. So of course the geopolitical news and the tension, all these things does matter for nifty 50. But anyway, the good thing is that we can see in 1 day time frame, almost from 5 to 6 days, there are good green candles which is showing a bit of a recovery. But also you can see the volume is not too much strong. Okay, so you need to remember that. Okay, you just don't see the nifty 50 value and think the market is going up or coming down. After, at the end of the day, you can see the candles, and the candles does tell you some story here. Okay, so you can see today's candle. Okay, the market has overall, it has gone up a bit. Okay, but you can see today's candle here, the strength of a body is very less. Okay, so whatever the bullish momentum is got is very less of a volume is what I can tell. So 24,400 is not given a breakout yet. That's an important resistance point what we have. Okay, so if this resistance gives a good breakout with a good volume, with a big candle, so that's when we can expect that the market has given a breakout and it might go up or come down. But anyway, these are some of the things and tricks what I'm just sharing with you briefly. But anyway, if you guys want to learn more about these things and want to learn from my 12 years plus of experience, do connect with me personally if you guys are interested, so that I can guide you my best. Okay, so anyway, this was my today's trade, and this was my nifty analysis for today, which is very simple without indicators. So do subscribe and follow for more updates and knowledge like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one very soon.